Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a challenge lock by FastCharlie entitled Baby Flat Top. This is one of these mini Ilko ones that I picked before. So let's go ahead and dig in and see what we can do here, folks. Sound like a plan, man? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. And there we go. Damn, baby. That was quick like a bunny, wasn't it? Shit. I don't know what the hell it took me so long to pick it, but damn, man, I picked that baby right out and open. Holy shit. I actually can't believe how fast I picked that open. But either way, we got the spectacular lock. We have a key to it too, so let's go ahead and lock this baby up. Yeah, baby. Yeah, it works like a champion. 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 All right, pick this bad boy open. All right, there's that. There's that. There's that. I think. Oh, we're gonna need this. Oh yeah, baby. Let me go ahead and grab a shim. Give me just one sec, baby. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna stick a shim right in the back end here, baby. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, baby. Of course, this is a lovely little lock here. All right, let's see here. We got number one. All right, number one is a serrated spoolish type pin. A standard on 2. Standard on 3. Ooh, a little bit of standard on 3. Let's see what we got on 4. Ooh, double serrated and number 5. All right, and serrated on number 5. Sweet. All right, up in the core here, it looks like we don't have anything. There's no alterations to the core. Sweet. Let's see what we got. See what we got up in the Bible. Sorry. A standard. And a wee spring. Oh, a spoolie thing. And a wee spring, even more wee spring. Oh boy. That. And that. Sweet. There's that one. And number 5. Oh, there's number 5 spring right there. It's a wee one. All right, y'all. So as far as what we have up in the Bible here, looks like we don't have any alterations done up to the Bible either. None to the core, none to the Bible. So it's all based on the spring on the pins here, y'all. So see if I can't zoom in just a wee bit now. All right, so what we have here is we have a spool, a standard, a double serrated, and a simple serrated there. We have a standard. We have a spool. We have a spool, a standard, and a spool with varying springs up in here. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. This again comes to us from FastCharlie. This is called Baby Flat Top. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.